Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Asana for project tracking, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the project you want to track. Once you're on the project page, look for the follow button located at the top right corner. Click on the follow button. After clicking, you'll receive notifications about any updates related to this project. To manage your preferences, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Notifications. Here, you can adjust how frequently you receive updates for projects you're following. Now, return to the project page. To do this, click on the task you want to follow. On the Task Details pane, locate the Follow option and click it. You'll now get updates on any changes made to that task. To ensure you're organized, check your My Tasks section. This section will show all the tasks you're following across various projects. Click the Following button that now replaces the Follow button. For more streamlined tracking, consider using the Asana mobile app. Download the app from your device's App Store. Log into your account and access your projects on the go. You can follow and manage projects right from your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.